Hello everyone, we'll be drawing a straight line and a circle. Now draw the lines along with the straight lines like this. Now over it we'll be drawing the shape as shown in the video. Now after that we'll be making the ears of the bunny like this. Make its cute tail on the back. Now after that we'll be coloring it and it's ready. Next, we'll be making a sleeping bunny. So draw the lines like this, make its ears and then make its body like this. Make a tail on the back of it, make its legs like this. Make its eyes, nose and mouth as shown in the video. And it's ready. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to color it and it's done. So draw the line like this and make a U-like shape. Now make a bow on the head. Now make its ears. Now make its body like this. Make its hands and legs as shown in the video. Make its eyes, nose and mouth and then color it using different colors of your choice and your kitty is ready. I hope you liked it. Next, draw a straight line and then draw a semicircular shape like this. Now draw the ears of it, make its hands and legs like this, make a tail on the back, make its eyes and a cute smile face like this. Now color it using different colors of your choice. Here we have taken grey color and it's ready. Next, we'll be making a bunny holding a carrot. So write a 3 and then we'll be making the ears over it. Now draw the another 3 on the inverted shape and then make a carrot like this. Draw the leaves, make its eyes, nose and mouth as shown in the video. Make a tail on the back like this. Draw the lines and then color it using different colors of your choice and color the carrot with the orange color and it's ready. Next we'll be making a dinosaur. So write a D like this and then fill the color inside it. Now we'll be making the legs of it. Make the face in the front of it. Make a tail. Now make its horns on the back. Make its eyes, nose and mouth. And your dinosaur will be ready. I hope you liked it. Next we'll be making a cow. So draw a circle. Now make its ears like this on the top. Now we'll be making the eyes of it. Now make its nose and mouth. Now we'll be making its body. So draw its legs first and then make its back. Make a tail on the back and then draw some patterns on its body. Color it with the grey color and it's ready. Next we'll be making a dinosaur. So write a letter B or R like this and then we'll be joining it like this to draw the body of the dinosaur. Make its tail on the back, make its eyes, nose and mouth. Now make the thorns on its back like this using red color marker and your dinosaur is ready. Next we'll be making a bunny. So draw a circle and then complete its body like this. Make the ears on the top of it, make its hands and legs and make the tail on the back. Make its eyes, nose and mouth like this. Now make a carrot in the hand of it like this. Now draw the leaves on the top. Now color the leaves like this and it's ready. Next we'll be making a dog. So draw the shape like this. So write a 6. Now we'll be drawing the lines along with it to make the face of the dog. Make its eyes, nose and mouth. Make its back over the sides. Make its tail. Color it using different colors of your choice and your dog is ready. Thanks for watching our video.